Hello everyone, welcome back to Real on the Magic. Today, I'm here at Disneyland for the 100 Years of Wonder celebration that just started today, January 27th. And I'm super excited to bring you guys along today. There's a lot of new food, new merch, and also we're gonna be checking out the new fireworks show over there at Disneyland. And I did want to go see the California Adventure New World of Color show. I don't know if I might make that because they're so close to the fireworks show and I really wanted to see the fireworks show. But I do want to apologize in advance. I was not able to get a reservation for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. There's still so much more to see for the 100 Years of Wonder celebration, and that's why we're here. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along today. So let's go inside and have a real awesome day here at Disneyland. I got my ticket, guys. Look, it's so cute. It's Minnie. And it's the Disney 100 Years of Wonder celebration print on it. So I made it into the Emporium. There is a lot of people, by the way, so I'm gonna try to navigate as best as I can. But look at this sweater. It says Walt Disney's Disneyland. It's so cute. This one is $54.99. They also have this shirt for the 100 Years of Wonder celebration. It's Tinkerbell. It says Disneyland. This one is $39.99. And they have like a cute matching shorts with it. I think they match, right? This one is $39.99 and it has like Disneyland prints all over it. Looks like it's like from different eras, which is really cool. They also have like this, well, I call it fanny pack. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's like, it might be better than a fanny pack because it looks like it holds your drinks for you. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. This one is $29.99. They also have these like new ears. I think they're new. They look new. And if you guys didn't notice, they like took off all the CVS receipt looking tags on them and they just have this like regular tag on them, which thank you Disney, I really appreciate that. But this one doesn't look like it has a price on it. So I'm assuming it's like maybe in the $30 to $40 range. These sweats look really cool. I think it has like Disneyland on it. Just folded, but you can't really see it. It looks really nice. On the side, it looks like they have probably something else, but it looks like they ran out of it. But they do have this hat. And I came in the afternoon, so anything that was probably here in the morning, some things were gone. Or I've also seen some merch that only has like the smaller sizes. They also have this Walt Disney Studios Hyperion Hollywood ears. And they're so cute. Like I said earlier, no more CVS receipts for the tags, which is really cool. And I like these, but sometimes I wish they wouldn't have these like snow globy things, because I think they should have just spread it around a lot more, like kind of like have it like in the middle like that a little bit, but then it all just falls to the bottom when you're wearing them. But I still like them though, they're really cute. And like I said earlier, they only have the extra small sizes of this sweater. I think it's one of the more popular sweaters here for this celebration. But they also have this Walt Disney Studios hat and I like it. It's just, I don't know, I feel like I would get it dirty really fast because it's white. I keep forgetting to show you guys the prices on these things. And it's just I don't have my significant other with me to kind of help me, but here you go. This one is $29.99. They have, next to that sweater over there, they actually have this shirt. It says Sweet Journey? Salt Journey? I don't know, Salt Disney? What does it say? I don't know. It says Mickey Mouse though. Another 100 Years of Wonder celebration merch, and the price for the shirt is $34.99. Over here they have these cool cups. Nice. They have this like cropped sweater. It looks like a cropped sweater. I don't know the actual term for it. And it looks like they have all the sizes for it still. This one is $49.99. And you can match with this like these like shorts, the $36.99. Oh, this one's really cool too. It says Walt Disney Studios, same thing, Hyperion Hollywood. And it's just to commemorate the 100 years of Disney. Not of Disneyland, but just of Disney in general. And that's why they're going with like that old school type. Reminds me kind of like the early, like in the 20s, which obviously is 100 years, 1923, I imagine. They also have these really cool Crocs, and if you're into this style, you can match with the fanny pack that I showed you guys earlier. You can have like a whole fit. So I've actually noticed that some of the cast members have like a different name tag than with the regular one that they have. They have like the 100 Years of Wonder celebration name tags, which I think is really cool. Over in Disney World, the cast members don't get to have that, and I'm actually really jealous because I am a cast member and I've heard nothing about the name change or the name tag change, and I kind of wish that they will do that hopefully eventually for us, because super jelly right now. So the castle looks so pretty right now. It has like the new 100 Years of Wonder. How many times am I gonna say 100 Years of Wonder celebration on this vlog? But they have a lot of decorations on it. It looks really, really cool. To my right, if you guys can see, there's already people lining up to see the fireworks show. So we're just gonna do a quick loop around to Toontown, then come back, because I do want to get a good spot for the fireworks. I don't know if I'll even get a good spot, but it's barely like 3 or 4 o'clock right now. The fireworks don't start till 9:45, so I have to come back and watch this. It's like seriously a must. So we're short on time, so let's get going because we got a lot more to do. So I was gonna go get the Mickey 100 Years pretzel, like this new pretzel that they had. It's like purple, but as soon as the cast member told everybody that they weren't having any more of those until another hour, everybody just dipped. Like they just left. It was so funny. I want to get that. That's kind of why I came over to Tomorrowland to get it. But I'm gonna have to come back in an hour, and hopefully they still have some there.
A few moments later.
So I was able to grab the new Milk and Cookies pretzel. It looks really good. And it's a cream cheese filled pretzel with taro sweetened condensed milk, topped with Oreo cookie crumbles. And it looks really good. I'm excited because it's cream cheese filled. These are like my favorite type of pretzel, where they have like the cream cheese filling inside. But I'm also excited to try the taro sweetened condensed milk because it sounds really good. All right, so I'm gonna use my fork and my knife because I did hear that it was like really sticky, and I don't want to be walking around trying to find somewhere to just sit and eat it by hand. So, ooh, maybe that was a mistake because it's kind of hard to cut. Ooh, look at that cream cheese. It looks so good. All right, let's try it. Cheers. The sweetened condensed milk just is so like sweet. It's really, I know why it's sticky. It's a lot of sweetness going on in here with the cookies and the taro like frosting, I guess. But yeah, it's super good, and I can taste all of it. Milk and cookies though, maybe they should have named it something else because it doesn't really taste like milk and cookies to me. Maybe it's because they tried to do like the Oreo as like the cookie, and the cream cheese as like, I don't know what I'm saying. It's just so good. Told you guys, that pretzel was super sweet and it was really good, but it's super messy too. But we're on our way to Toontown. I know it might not be open, but I just want to see. I just want to take a little peeky poo, like a little peeky poo. But quarter of the day, drink your water. Also, I was kind of hoping that the monorail that passed by was the new 100 Years monorail. It's like glistening. It looks like it belongs in Disney World for the 50th anniversary, which I'm wearing my 50th anniversary shirt. That's like my favorite shirt. I always wear it in like almost every vlog. I wish I could show you guys, but it's kind of getting dark, and if we get lucky, maybe. But let's go to Toontown. So that's as close as you guys are gonna get to seeing the Mickey's Toontown. It's like tight, like security is like tight around here. It's like FBI is watching you, because as soon as I even get a little bit close to the rope over there, they're like, you have a reservation, you have a reservation. I'm like, makes sense, but it's just so funny to me. It's like, I feel a little scared. All right, so I think I'm gonna head back to the front of the castle to maybe try to get a good spot for the fireworks show. It's getting a little dark right now, and I think this is like the perfect time to start setting up. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't get a really bad spot, but I'm gonna try my best to find a good spot for you guys.
For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just when to start. That's how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. Each stroke of the pain to each motion that meets the eye. It's the magic that we it's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Right when you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
They say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Haven't you ever had a dream? Something you want so bad you'd do anything?
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. I want it more than I can tell.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm
along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I could and I'm almost there. I remember the told me every chance to come true. But you gotta make them happy.
Will today be the day? Are you ready to fly? Could take a try.
Come on, everybody, here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the storms.
So, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I will never be good enough. I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
this thing together, and that's how we'll finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más, hay que crecer, aparte y volver, hacia adelante seguirás, ya son milagros, viendo crisálida, hay que lograr, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más, hay que crecer, aparte y volver, to fly apart to the light, wonders around you. Just let the world know that don't look behind you, fly till you find your way toward tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we provide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we provide. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Alright, so I took like a little break because my legs were killing me. I waited like 4.5 hours for the fireworks show. But overall, I thought that the fireworks show was really good. I think the Baymax hype is real. That was like the star of the show. Like everyone, I don't know if you guys heard that, but everyone went crazy when Baymax came out. And as expected, we love Baymax. And the fact that they played Immortals, which is like the Big Hero 6 theme song, is like amazing. I just wish they had played the original song, but I feel like there might be some copyright issues. But overall, it was a great show. There was like nostalgic elements to it, and it made me very emotional, which I kind of missed from some of the fireworks shows that Disney has been releasing over the past few years. And I'm kind of glad that they did that. But now we're gonna head over to Splash Mountain because the one over here is actually still running. I don't know when they're closing, but I know that the one in Disney World is officially closed. So let's go check that out. If you guys look closely, the Haunted Mansion holiday overlay is still happening here at Disneyland. I don't know when it's going, but I don't know. I love it. I hope it stays all year, but this is crazy. It's January. It's gonna go into February, and it's still here. Splash Mountain is at a 5-minute wait. No way. Should I get on? Nah, I wouldn't get on, dude. That's crazy, man. It's like 50 degrees. If you're getting on, look at these people. If you're getting on, you're a trooper, man. I don't know what's going on with you, but I hope it all is well in your life because this is insane. How can people get on? It's 50 degrees. No way. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it's so... You can't even see anything. It's dark. It's cold. Should I do it? I wouldn't even do it for $5, honestly. If you guys know when the Disneyland version of Splash Mountain is closing for the refurbishment for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, let me know, because I know for sure the one in Magic Kingdom is closed, but not this one. For all you OG Disneyland fans, who remembers this being McDonald's fries cart? There used to be like one around here. I think it's this one. They used to serve McDonald's fries. I personally don't remember them selling McDonald's fries here. Maybe it's because I was too young. But Alondra does recall that she used to get her McDonald's fries from here, which is pretty crazy. They closed this area for the Indy ride. What's up, Disney? You take Tarzan, my childhood tree house, and then you take Indiana Jones, my favorite Disney ride in the world. What is going on? Just kidding. I think it's just going under refurbishment. Well, Indiana Jones is, but it's just blocked off. Now you can only go to Bengal Barbecue on this side when you go into Adventureland. Boo. And that's Jungle Cruise. Look at the Disneyland Castle. I can't get tired of this. I won't. Everybody's kind of just hanging around, taking pictures. Should we go through it? Let's go through it. And look, they added these like water fountains on the side of the castle. It looks really cool. Looks so much better at night, by the way. That's a good shot right there. Look at that. So we've come to an end to a real awesome day here at Disneyland. I hope you guys had fun today as much as I did. We tried that pretzel. It was really great. I do recommend it. It was really sweet. Also the fireworks show, like the fireworks show was probably one of my favorite fireworks show that I've ever seen, like Disney put out. It was very nostalgic, very emotional, which I felt like something that a lot of the fireworks shows in these couple of years that have been released have been like lacking, is like the emotional part of it, which I really liked. Also, we did kind of walk around Disneyland for a bit and show you guys some of the merch, which is really fun to do. I do hope they release more merch throughout the celebration. I think not all of the merch was released today. I think they're probably going to release more throughout the months to come, because I think there's just so much more. Like the merch has so much more potential. There's a lot of things missing that I didn't get to see this time around. So I'm hoping when we come back in May, because we are coming back in May, hopefully we can actually see some new merch when we come back. But thank you guys for watching me today, and I hope you guys had fun. If you're gonna subscribe, leave a like on this video if you liked it. We're so close to our 500 subscriber goal. So thank you guys for watching me. Real in the Magic. Bye.